Hi, you're watching Top Best Videos. Over the next minutes, we are going to introduce you to the 5 best car accessories to modernize your old car this 2019. Number 1. Y1 Mirror Dash Camera. This mirror dash camera has a dual HD recording, 4.3-inch integrated touchscreen, night recording, collision detection and Wi-Fi sharing. It can record front view and rear view camera. The front camera, which has a 180-degree viewing angle, employs a professional image sensor to support a large viewing angle and up to 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second video resolution to clearly capture the traffic ahead. The rear view has 120-degree view angle with 720 pixels HD rear-mounted camera that covers the whole rear view to guarantee more safety without distortion. The 4.3-inch touchscreen gives you more control, larger aperture, wider angle lens, and more clarity. Protect the evidence when you need it most. The Y1 Mirror Dash camera has a built-in 3-axis gravity sensor with low, medium, and high sensitivity, which is activated in case of an emergency and automatically backs up the footage that won't be deleted due to insufficient storage or loop recording. The footage is completely protected, so you don't have to worry about lack of evidence should the dispute arise. Stable Wi-Fi signal and high-speed transmission. Intelligent driver fatigue reminder. Through an estimate of the driving distance and driving time, the Y1 Mirror Dash camera intelligently alerts you of potential fatigue, making long journeys safer for the driver and passengers. Warning: after more than 2 hours of driving, there will be a driver's fatigue warning on the right side of the screen, which you need to manually close. If at any time the power disconnects, the alert timer will reset to 2 hours when power reconnects. Number 2. Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor. The Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor is the first ever slow leak detector with real-time alerts. With Zeus, you no longer have to guess what's wrong with your tires. View individual tire pressure data directly on your smartphone for a safer drive and improved gas mileage. It has next-generation German sensor, long-lasting battery, highly integrated PCBA with pressure and temperature sensors, metal base with antenna, and a reversible USB charging port. You can connect the receiver to a USB car charger and then charge up your mobile devices through the receiver's reversible USB charging port. This way, you never lose a charging port. To self-install in 10 minutes, 1. Plug in the receiver, 2. Pair with the Zeus app, and then 3. Fasten sensors. Save up to 11 cents per gallon with properly inflated tires. Powered by an intelligent algorithm, Zeus real-time alert warns you of tire pressure issues to prevent dangerous blowouts. You can view individual tire pressure and temperatures directly on your smartphone. It's perfect for your 4-wheel drive or pickup. Number 3. Hardware Cast Heads-Up Display. Hardware Cast is a portable heads-up display you can use in any vehicle. It sits on the dash and wirelessly mirrors smartphone screen in front of your eyes. This is how you can view directions and keep your eyes on the road at the same time. The best thing is you can still control basic phone functions on the smartphone. Say quickly manage calls, switch tracks, or share location while seeing direction on the HUD. Hardware Cast wirelessly connects to any smartphone that supports Miracast or AirPlay, and that means the majority of modern smartphones. Or you can use the enclosed USB cable to establish a wired connection and charge your smartphone through the Hardware Cast. Then launch a navigation app on your smartphone, select to stream it to Hardware Cast and enjoy. Number 4. WE Boost Drive 4G XRV Cell Phone Signal Booster. The Drive 4G XRV is a powerful in-vehicle cell phone signal booster kit certified for use anywhere in the US. The Drive 4G XRV boosts voice and data with maximum Federal Communications Commission's allowed 50 decibel system gain, enhancing 4G light as well as 3G network signals up to 32 times. Has fewer lost connections and dead zones, better call quality as well as faster data uploads and downloads whether packed or in motion in a recreational vehicle. Works in all classes of recreational vehicles, Class A, Class C, and all towables, and comes with a 2-year warranty. So this is how it works. Signal boosters increase cell signal by collecting signals with a powerful antenna, delivering those signals to the booster, amplifying the cell signal so your devices receive them, and delivering your device's boosted signals back to the cell tower. So you can enjoy up to 2 hours of additional talk time with the WE Boost Drive 4G X cell phone signal booster. This cell phone signal booster consumes only a small percentage of your device's battery, prolonging battery life. Number 5. Spytech STIGL 300 Mini Portable Real-Time Personal and Vehicle GPS Tracker. It doesn't get much easier than this to track people, cars, or property in real time. The STIGL 300 Real-Time GPS Tracker monitors location with pinpoint accuracy and goes anywhere discreetly while giving you real-time updates, whether you're watching the movement of a spouse or partner when you are not around, guarding expensive items against theft, or monitoring your delivery driver routes. The GL300 gives you the reliable, real-time tracking performance you need. At only 2 inches long, the GL300 is very compact, so it fits easily into a pocket, purse, or bag. The device works great for tracking vehicles, and with the addition of a magnetic, waterproof case, can be placed underneath the car where it won't be seen. Once the device is in place, on the target, that is person, vehicle, or property, the location and movement can be tracked from anywhere on the phone, tablet, or computer. The Spytech GPS tracking website lets you monitor the device with ease. And that's all on the 5 best car accessories to modernize your old car this 2019. Do well to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For notifications on our latest videos, you can click the little bell, and you can also check out the links to the product in the description, as well as leave your comments and questions below. We shall see you in our next video.